Imagine a paradise untouched, where azure waters meet pristine white sand beaches and lush greenery houses a diverse range of wildlife. Welcome to Seychelles. Nestled in the Indian Ocean just off East Africa, this archipelago is a treasure trove of natural wonders. With breathtaking beaches, vibrant coral reefs, and extensive nature reserves, Seychelles is home to a unique blend of rare animals and exotic flora. This is a paradise unspoiled, a place where nature thrives in its purest form. Today, we will explore the top 10 must-visit places in this island paradise. Starting off our countdown at number 10, we have Prasin Island. This island is a natural treasure chest, boasting the extraordinary Valon Beach Nature Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a realm of ancient palm forests where the unique coco de mer grows. Adding to the island's allure are its renowned beaches, Anse Lazio and Anse Georgette, both frequently lauded as top picks globally. This island isn't merely a destination, it's a journey back in time. Prasin Island, a natural wonder that captures the essence of Seychelles. At number 9, the enchanting Ladig Island awaits. This gem of Seychelles is home to a thriving giant tortoise colony, making it a must-visit for wildlife enthusiasts. But that's not all. The island boasts a lush vanilla plantation, a delight for your senses. And let's not forget the stunning Anse Source d'Argent Beach, a paradise that's as picturesque as it sounds. It's a place where the world slows down, allowing you to truly soak in the beauty around. Ladig Island, where time seems to stand still. Coming in at number 8, Cuisine Island, a haven for bird lovers. This small granitic island is more than a tropical paradise. It's a sanctuary, a refuge, a safe haven for a multitude of bird species, many of which are endemic to Seychelles. From the Seychelles warbler to the Seychelles magpie robin, Cuisine Island is a symphony of bird songs that echo through the lush foliage. A visit here is a step into an avian Eden. Cuisine Island, a true birdwatcher's paradise. At number 7, we find the fascinating Curious Island. With an extraordinary blend of nature and history, this island is a jewel of Seychelles. It boasts unique biodiversity, including the awe-inspiring giant Aldabra tortoises, a sight that truly captivates. But the island's allure doesn't stop there. The historical ruins of leper colony buildings tell a poignant tale of the island's past, adding a touch of mystery to its beauty. Here's a place where you can walk through history while being surrounded by nature's splendor. Curious Island, where history and nature intertwine. Halfway through our countdown at number 6 is Valon Beach on Mahe. This radiant beach is a haven for water sports enthusiasts, offering everything from snorkeling to jet skiing. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky ignites with hues of orange and purple, painting a breathtaking backdrop for evening strolls. As darkness settles, the night market comes to life, teeming with local vendors selling delectable Seychellois cuisine and artisan crafts. Valon Beach, where the fun never sets. We've reached the top 5 in our countdown. Are you ready for more breathtaking beauty? We've journeyed through the lush landscapes of Prasin Island, Ladig, Cuisine Island, Curious Island, and Valon Beach, each offering its unique allure. But brace yourselves, the best is yet to come. We're about to venture into the heart of Seychelles, where the most stunning, unforgettable locations await. So hold on to your excitement. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 5 must-visit places in Seychelles. At number 5, we venture into the wild at Morne Seychellois National Park. This lush haven on Mahe Island boasts an extensive network of hiking trails, each promising an exhilarating journey. As you navigate the verdant terrain, panoramic views of the island will leave you breathless. But it's not just the vistas that impress. The park is a biodiversity hotspot, home to a variety of intriguing wildlife. Whether you're an avid hiker or a nature enthusiast, there's something for everyone. Morne Seychellois National Park, where adventure meets nature. Number 4 takes us to Victoria, one of the world's smallest capital cities. Despite its size, Victoria is bustling with life and character. At the heart of the city, you'll find the vibrant Sir Selwyn Clarke Market, a paradise for the senses with its colorful array of local fruits, vegetables, and spices. Don't miss out on the historic Clock Tower, a miniature version of London's Big Ben. And of course, the city's pride, the lush botanical gardens, home to a variety of exotic plants and animals. Victoria, a tiny capital with a big heart. At number 3, we have Silhouette Island, a diver's paradise. Imagine plunging into the depths of the Indian Ocean, surrounded by a riot of colors from the rich marine life. Here, the coral reefs are not just underwater landscapes, but a bustling city of aquatic creatures. The island offers diving spots aplenty, each with its unique charm and mystery. The water is clear, the marine life vibrant, and the experience unforgettable. This is Silhouette Island, where the ocean reveals its secrets. Almost at the top, at number 2, we have the Alara Atoll. This majestic refuge, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a haven for wildlife. It boasts the world's largest population of giant tortoises, a sight to behold indeed. But the atoll doesn't stop impressing there. Dive into its waters and you'll find vibrant coral reefs teeming with life, a living mosaic beneath the waves. Alara Atoll, a testament to nature's grandeur. And finally, at number 1, we have the world-renowned Ants Source Daron Beach on Ladig. This isn't just a beach, it's a masterpiece. Imagine a canvas where Mother Nature has painted strokes of unique pink sand, added a palette of clear azure waters, and dotted it with majestic granite rock formations. It's a sight that leaves you breathless, a symphony of natural beauty that plays a melody you never forget. Ants Source d'Argent, the crown jewel of Seychelles. And there you have it, the top 10 must-visit places in Seychelles. From the pristine beaches of Prasin Island to the unique wildlife of Cuisine Island, the natural beauty of Cuisine Island to the bustling city life of Victoria, every place offers a different slice of paradise. Seychelles is a treasure trove of experiences steeped in rich culture and breathtaking scenery. So pack your bags and let Seychelles' mesmerizing beauty captivate your heart and soul.